Welcome back to Operation Exploration. Okay, so what we're going to do in this here episode is we're going to link these here two systems together. So we're going to link the moon base to this one here, and then this one here to the International Space Station. Now, what we're going to do first here is just make sure that this here is set up correctly, which it is. I'm going to put an antenna on the side of it here. So let's get an antenna. And stick that on the side. I'll put it sideways. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Just seem to be missing a few components. Is the builder's turned on? Oh, there. Is that the rest of it done? Yeah, that's it. Perfect. So what is that displaying at the moment? Not too sure. We need to go into control panel. Let's see. Control antenna. What is it actually called? I thought it was called antenna. What is it actually called? Antenna, yeah. Why? Wait, is this all one block? By any chance?
Energy low.
Oh. Oh. It's not connected. Well, that explains a lot. Well, I suppose let's get them connected. What is this? Light arm block 6. Yeah. That should do the job. Right, now that should be everyone connected now. Yeah, there's the antenna lit up. That's good. Right, it's a good job spotted that. And this is called... the whole thing, I think... what's it called? SR... I'll just copy this. There's the antenna. There we go. Oh, forgot to set the meters. Perfect. Now, this one is number 2, and this one's number 1, so we'll set up number 2 first. So what we have to do is we have to get the coordinates of this. Because it's fixed coordinates, that's good. So we just need... why is that called LA1 and that's LA2? It's supposed to be LA. Right. Range, we're going to do infinite, and then range infinite as well. Let me see, copy my coordinates, and now we need to go to the moon. Now, there's no point me taking that there with us, so we're just going to fly there by hand first. So we're going to fly over in a jetpack, be quicker than using the voyage. No, it's just a waste of time, really. Oh, I should have actually dumped my inventory first, it would have been quicker. I will get there in no time. I must also get back into, whenever I'm putting locations in, especially with ores, I need to put in the periodic table name of it, or the actual like letters for it. For example, like silicons Si and magnesiums, Mg, etc. Just makes things a wee bit easier. Right, let's get back to the moon base. So once this here goes to about 50.
Energy critical.
Oh, that's not good. Right. There we go. Oh, there's just some bacon out there. Right, we're getting close to it. Okay, lag. Seems to be going fairly fast. Oh, we're okay. We're alright. Right. Let's get. Oh yes, we need a laser antenna belt on this. Oh sugar. Where is it? Oh, it's up there. Oh right. I was about to say, oh no way. Have I put that in a place where we can't actually see it? No, this is over there, so that's okay. We just need to build the laser antenna on this here side. I thought, where is the laser antenna? It's on this. Oh, it's there. Right, okay. So if we put one here on this end of the building, will it get blocked off by that solar panel if it was to rotate around? I don't think so. How many shades is it? There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 blocks. So if that came out 14 blocks this way, let's do a mental thing of this. So if that would come around to about there. It probably would block it. I don't know, it's hard to say, will it block it or not? What way is that there mounted? That's mounted on the end. I suppose we'll have to put it here in the middle. This middle. Oh.
No energy.
Just get back inside quickly. Oh. Don't have time to pressurize. Yeah, I forgot to do the energy before leaving, or before working on that. Right. Let's put it on the end of the building instead. So where's the middle of this? Oh, there is no middle. Okay. Right, it looks like we're gonna have to put it yeah, that would block. I'd say that would block that out now if it was rotated around. So we'll put it. I'll put it over here. Let's put it on here. Yeah.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Antenna. There we go. Right. So we've no builders. That clicking noise is, I think that's coming from the voyage. Let's see, where's that? There it is. Oh, we need superconductors. And guess what? The superconductors is missing gold. Perfect. That's quite literally brilliant. How many does this thing use? Oh wait, no, this isn't used. This uses an antenna. What can I steal it off? We need gold. Where's all ours? Ah, it's not that far away. We need to go up and get some gold. Just a small bit. What are we carrying loads of? Oh, we're not going fast enough. Let's keep going this way here for a second. Right, let's see, what do we have on this? This is so... Oh, it's just battles, okay. Right, we get this gold, come back, and we get those superconductors made. What's this here? This, how can we look? So maybe this is worth having a look at all the other asteroids. Although I think this is the one we had a look at before we went to all ours. if I remember right. Yeah, I think it was. There's a hole in the middle of it, I remember right. Someone over here, wasn't it? Yeah. There's a hole, yeah, there wasn't anything in it. Small bit of gold is needed. Not too far now. That clicking noise from those builders is an awful loud bug. It's annoying sometimes. Sometimes you don't notice it, sometimes you do. But see, when you notice it, it's hard to forget it. Right. Here we are. Let's get some gold. Is that it? Just check there's the wee pieces there.
Inventory full.
Check that I didn't bring up any stone from that. Yeah, drop a wee bit. We're not going to get any more than that. There we go. Okay, let's get back. There's space pirates over there. I would like to attack them eventually. Once we're probably got the equipment for it. I would like to get like a gunship made. One that has like a load of guns and stuff on it. Right, I think this should be all we need to make those superconductors. Check actually. Yeah, it should be alright, it should be enough. What's that? What is that? It's an asteroid. This close to the moon. God, this has a load of things on it there. It looks like a lot of iron. Yeah, it just seems to be completely covered in iron. Seems to be some cobalt or something on there as well. So, oh. Oh, it's another one of these here. The ones with all the... It's another one with all the ores on it as well. Has it got uranium on it? Usually, because the other one, there's... Ooh, there it is. It has got uranium on it. But it must be deep inside it. Otherwise there must be a hollow back on this. Wow, so it's the second one we found. There's uranium. There's there. Excellent. Let's get this here recorded as well. Very good. And that's gonna be 1. That's gonna be 2. I'm gonna copy that color scheme. There we go. All ores 2. Excellent. So now we have a second source. So if we do deplete the uranium on the other one, we can come to this one. This was very close to the moon. Don't know how I didn't spot this one before. It's practically on the way between, you know, between the two, the all ores and the moon. And I have done that trip a couple of times. Don't know how I haven't seen it. Maybe it just spawns. But I thought, I don't know, it's weird. So that's the second one. As I'm flying over, so I'm just looking for a nice flat area of ice. This looks kind of flat here. Yeah, this looks fairly flat here. We could get a massive arm here to do some ice. That's nice there. So it's only a bit of kilometer away. I wonder why we didn't actually put it in there instead. Yeah, well, I think the whole thing was to look for a flat area on the moon. Yeah, I know that's what it was. It wasn't for the. It wasn't just for the ice. It was for the a nice flat spot where Avon was, and we had ice and stuff there as well. Right. Okay. So we have this. So let's go inside. Get this all loaded in. Right. And get that thrown in. Laser antenna 2. Nice damage this thing up. Alright, good. Thruster components we don't need at the moment. Good. Right. Well, I suppose there's no point going up there, that's not done yet. Right, let's set that to max. And this is the moon base, which I assume is MB. Where is the other one? There's moon base laser antenna 1, so let's actually shorten that down. And then MBLA2. MBLA1 and laser antenna 2. MBLA2. Why is that not done yet? Should have. Oh yes, we have no. I forgot we have no builders. Where did they all go? Oh, there. I forgot there's no builders on this. Good. It's bad we can do from here. MB. So this is LA2. Paste the coordinates. Connect the coordinates. What? Why didn't... Oh, so it hasn't copied over for some reason. Right, okay. That's infinite. The other one's definitely infinite. The other thing I can think of is it's just gone offline, which you shouldn't have done. And let's fly out to this. Well, we have the coordinates copied anyway, so they should connect to that. The thing was we had to go back anyway, so it's not an issue. But I hate to think now when I paste the coordinates into this, it's not going to connect. It'd be very, very annoying. So I am going to fly sort of in line with it, because if we come across any obstacles, the way that would kind of explain why it's not going to connect. But the fact was it didn't seem to like try and connect. So I think the obstacle theory is not correct. So I'm just going to stay in a straight line to it, and as long as we can get to it in a straight line, we're okay. No, without any obstacles. Not far now. Unlimited speed mod is such a handy, because I think if we didn't have the unlimited speed mod, I'd probably use the spectator cam to copy those coordinates. I know it's a bit cheaty, but like, what else do you do?
Energy low.
It would be a complete waste of time. Right, I'm just gonna cruise up there. So far, so good. Right, I doubt that's what's causing the blockage between the two of them. Oh, there's a drone fighter there, that's not good. Hopefully we completely avoid that. Oh! Going a bit fast here. Whoa! I wasn't watching the speed I was doing. Right, let's get back. Like, the amount of times I've died in the vanilla world, no, without the mods, no, with doing 100 meters per second. It's not fair. Alright, let's get back. Right, so there's no obstacles between the two of them, so there's no reason why I shouldn't connect. Right, here we are. Let's connect to LA1. Yay, primary connection. Excellent. Now let's copy this one. And let's go find the ISS. Right, where is the ISS at the moment? Let me just see if that has connected. So which one? It was oh yes, this is the one that's looking the ISS, this is the one that's looking at the moon. Yeah, that's okay. Right, we need to move this here out of the way because, well, I suppose we could dock with it. Yeah, let's do a dock with this here. So we've definitely copied that. Let me just double check. Good, we've copied that. Now let's fly this to the. Okay, so let's see where it is. I've accidentally ended my camera. There we go. Because the tools for NVIDIA, the recorder, is Alt F9, so it's Alt F10 for this here. So we need to do an entity list, and I still need to remember to rename this. Right, and then where is this at the moment? Christ. So it's heading to ISS 0.1. It's kind of going nowhere at the minute. Oh, wait. Where is it in relative to... space? It's 141 odd kilometers away. But it's making its way around. Where did it go to? That's the second time now I've ended the recording by accident. Right. Oh, right. How come I can't see the laser antenna in spectator mode? Are they just an ordinary antenna? Right, so it's kind of a, I would say that's directly above. No, it's not directly above ISS. The only thing I can think of is we go straight for it. We go straight for it. Let's see. Right, let me see. Let's get in here. Let's go. Let's head towards the Earth, which is over here, I think. Right, so apparently ISS point 1, where is that? It's there. So apparently it is somewhere around the bit there. So I'm going to try to see if I can catch it over here. Actually, no, I think it's somewhere about there. It's somewhere over here. But we'll get it. As long as we're at 50 kilometers from it or so. We've got like a 50 kilometer radius to catch this thing. So at the minute we're just flying blind towards it. Or an estimate somewhere around it. Oh wait, how far was the satellite location? $62 kilometers, right, okay, good to know. So I think it's somewhere about... Yeah, I still think it's around about here somewhere. We could intercept it about here. We just need to be about 50 kilometers away from it. Yeah, if we don't fly into any rocks. Last time we'd want. Let's see here. So this is another high-speed dock where we're going to connect up the antenna. So I think it's somewhere over here. Right, we're in the atmosphere. Just keep it above. Just keeping an eye out for it. Be around here somewhere. Should come up here soon enough. Let's just see how far away it is from the satellite. Wait, it's completely bypassing it. So it's 192 odd kilometers from ISS point 1. Where are we? So I don't know where the hell this thing is. Oh, ISS. There it is. We've got it, we've got it. We just need to get speed up here. We've got it. I might be going a little bit too fast. I thought we deployed this thing close to the satellite. Why is it ventured off so far? I need to be careful with the speed here. So that thing's doing about 250. 250 or so meters a second. We're burning quite a lot of hydrogen as well. Alright, let's ease off the speed now. You could do it hiding some of those waypoints as well. I think we're gonna overshoot it. Yeah, we're gonna overshoot it. We'll just be clever here with these here dampeners a wee bit. Right, so we've got the dampeners turned off. Just creep in on it. Make sure that we're not going to do anything here. And I can see the dock there. We're going to aim for the middle of it here. Yeah, it's so much better down from it like this here. It's a bit more natural or something. Taking in the rest of the way. There we are. And 5. Excellent. So we're on it. Now, where is the Space Relay Station 1, right? So the antenna needs to go on this here side. Alright, let's get that. So we have the antenna there. There we go. Oh. There we go. ISSLA1, and let's get rid of the other one down here. Get that fixed.
Inventory full.
I just love the way this stuff just whoosh out of nowhere. Just disappears. So we're missing some plates. Oh, there we go. Just took a wee while. Right, since we've got all that there done, let's get this here connected to App Store. I wonder if we can do it from up here. Alright, let's see. Searching. Still searching. Oh wait, this is... There we go, that's better. Yes! So where is it? Yes, that's it. We've got a connection. Excellent. So that should be rotating to follow it. Let's see if it does. Ah, it is. It's doing its job. Okay, perfect. That is that. And I'm just going to dump everything in here. What's the salmon remote? Oh, they're doing ammunition. Good. So these here should be well up at the moment. Can we access this? I would like to give it a wee bit of a test. I suppose we could do that inside. Yep, we got 4 green. Alright, and let's set up the controls. So what we'll do is we'll put those ones at the very end because we don't want to mess up the whole thing. So we're just going to do view and then the 4 of them. So we've got control. Control and control. And remove these 2. Oh. Alright, let's just check to see if they're all set up. They should be on maximum. 2 route, yeah. Target neutrals off. Target. Okay. Target grids. Target focus fire. Focus all fire on the specified target. No, in case there's multiple enemies. Target systems. Small threats. First shot. I don't know what half this means. Tracking mode. I suppose any. Yeah, leave that the way it is. Happy enough with that. So they're just the tourists, they're protected against that. Right, now the thing I'm getting a wee bit worried about is that we can't seem to connect it to the moon base. We should be able to see the moon base from here. Because we've got a relay station 1, but we should be able to see the antenna from the base, from the moon base. But for some reason we're not. And I'm going to turn off half them GPSs now. That's going on. We'll turn them off unless we absolutely need them. We'll leave that on. That's going off. That's going off. Satellite location, we'll turn that off. We'll turn that off. I don't know what that is, we'll turn that off. Oh. Is this thing even working at all? It needs to be connected, isn't it? Connected to SR. Yeah, space station. No, space relay station 1, laser antenna 2. That's getting very close. I'm actually, yeah, I'm gonna create one from there. And I call this, you see, ISS root rock. I'm gonna say, just keep that. Because I might actually want to make a wee station there. Actually, I'll call that ISS point 3. There we go. Much better. So, despite this thing being connected to that, we are not getting any confirmation of the fact that we are connected to it. But there is an antenna on this, and there is an antenna on us, but for some reason we're not seeing it light up. But I think we had this issue before. If we started the game, ended it, and then restarted again, it should show up all the antennas. Because with the antenna we should be seeing at the moment is the well, first of all, we should be seeing the relay station, we should be seeing the moon base, and we should be seeing the earth base as well. Those are the ones we should be seeing. But we'd get that fixed in the next episode anyway. It's not 100% necessary right now. Just go ahead and have a look. I would like to have like an escape buggy on this thing as well, or like something that we use to get to Earth, but we can drive it on Earth as well. Nah, we're not losing it. Oh, what's this? Whoa! It shot at it. Shooting back. Oh, no way. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh, oh, no way. That took out the entire section of it. Right, I tell you what we need to do. We need to get this And we need to go and lift that part back and bring it back, but I'm not wasting that. There's a lot of resources went into that. Right, let's do this. Get this before this thing runs out. We got it. We have it. Oh, no way, we're gonna lose it. Alright, it's just going away from us, okay. I just need to level up over here. It's head and dry since point one. Alright, we have it. We have it. We haven't got good hydrogen on this, so this is going to be very, very dangerous. Alright, let's keep this here. Let's inspect it. Right, what are we actually missing? Right, I think we have lost the... How many windows was there? There's 4 windows there, but how many windows is between? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're missing 2 engines before we get to 3 spaces, I think. So we get 2 engines. So we're missing quite a lot here by the looks of things. Yeah, so we're looking at block. Oh, we could do it in some parts here. This is not good. I'm not going to that. Just need to get this thing connected up very quickly here. Where is that? The game's lagging, of course. I need to get my graphics card changed. That's the only reason I think it's doing it. Right, let's see. There we go. Get these here. So let's get this, just the basics of it done first, just the main parts. Right, so we have this, and then what was it? There's 3 spaces in between. Engine space, window. So that, engine space. And thruster, it's the fancy one. So this, but they're lengthways, space, engine, and then it is the block in between. So that's going to be merge block, and no wait, no, that can't be a merge block. This is going to be merge block. So that's going to be merge block. This one's going to be merge block. There we go. Right, let's get those two pieces hooked up. I haven't done it properly, have I? That one's not even connected that properly, is it? It is, it should be merging. Right then, merging. Yeah, they are definitely. Oh, we're going too far. This is really hard, but it doesn't seem to be matching up with it for some reason. I need to get out and have a look. That's really weird. That should be joining, but for some reason it's not. It doesn't want to join. There's definitely power on this, and that should be. I wonder if that's actually the cause. Let me get rid of that.
Inventory full.
Alright, let's try that now. Wonder if that's the cause of it. Come on, join. Upside down, is it by any chance? No. Like, they're not even going yellow. Oh wait, is there a battery on it? Is there even a battery on that thing? Well, something's powering it anyway inside. So what the hell's powering it in there? The solar panels. I think we might have to put a battery on it. Just a temporary one. Stick that in here. again. Right, let's move it out of the way first. So build these two.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
Right, let's try this again. 7. There, that's going there. That's going on top. Right, let's try this again. It's not even merging, it doesn't want to merge for some reason. Does not want to merge. Like they should be going yellow by now. And for some reason it's not. It's really weird. How are we gonna do this? Suppose we could try. I was gonna say we could try the map. Let's get moving and forced there. Let's try to connect it up again. Should be connected. Maybe it's going too fast or something, but I can't keep up. Right, we're gonna have to stop it and repair it. Alright, let's take this thing out of orbit. I don't really want to do that though. I'd rather if we could just get those two pieces to connect. Use the connector method, but that's just to temporarily stitch them together until we get this thing sorted. What was that even called? I was supposed to call it something temporary for now. That for now. Oh wait, sure, we're not even connected to it. Let's take that opportunity now to get this thing connected. Come on, no lag. Alright, they've been knocked together, that's good. So we can safely take this out of orbit now. Let's get this cruise control turned out. Wait, why is it so far away from Earth now? Oh, now it's merged together. So that little accident has just put it completely out of... There we are. Right. So inspect. Okay, so it's not too bad. We have most of it there, and it's all pretty much joined together. Let's get this here thing stopped because we don't want to be using up hydrogen. Right. So we need to do a repair. Okay. And it seems to have... I didn't even realise we went out of orbit. It's so weird. But nothing to worry about anyway. I reckon maybe whenever we were attaching to it, we accidentally pulled it out of orbit and it disconnected the autopilot. But we'll fix that in the next episode. Okay, so that was really intense. I do not want to go through that again. I think lesson learned. Let's take it down a wee bit lower in terms of the orbit, the next orbit, so that we don't accidentally pull it out of the orbit. That was that. So we'll check the program block, see what it was currently set to, and we'll put it 5,000 feet below that, and that should be okay. I think the ISS is well capable of handling the lower, the higher gravity, but at greater speeds, so it should be okay. What is going on? Why is it? It's just have a mind of its own. I don't know what's happening here. I think Clang is hijacking it. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. But anyway, we'll leave it at that. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. If you have any recommendations or any suggestions for the series, do drop down below or visit the Discord channel that's linked in the description. We have quite a bit of work to do in this, and I'm just going to let this casually rotate around. I don't know why it's doing that, I don't know. But I reckon there's something wrong with the script. Maybe it thinks it's still in an orbit, I don't know. But yeah, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. I would like to give a massive shout out to the channel donators. You help make these videos possible.